So hello everyone, my name is Pritam Paul and welcome to another video. And in this video we are going to talk about like this Q tree, as you can see here. And I'm going to the rotations. Okay, I'm going to make a lot of rotational operation, and I will try to balance this tree. Okay, skew tree. So obviously the balance factors would be like here 0, -1, -2. I'm not going into the upwards because this -2 is here. So when in a single branch, like you will have lot of like lot of unbalanced nodes. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to like go from the downstairs, and whatever you will get, okay, you have to work with it. Okay, so now like let's do the, as it is minus, let's do the left rotation. Okay, so what will happen that like 1 2 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6, after that 8, then 7, then 9 will be like this. Okay, so now the thing will be 0 0 0 -1 -2 -3 dot 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 dot. This is the way. Okay, so this is the way. Now I'm not going to the downstairs. Okay, I'm trying to I'm trying to explain here. Okay, so that you could understand properly. Okay, now what will happen that from here to here, like from here to here we have to come now. So let's like as it is of in the 5, it is having the -2, then obviously there will be a left rotation. So let's remove them, like even 5 also would be removed. Let's see. So what will happen, like this 6 will be here, the 5 will be here, and that would be 8, then 7, and then 9. Okay, now what would be the thing, like 0 0 0, and it is 1 and 2, then -1. Okay, and it would be 0, and it is going to be -1 to 3, so -3. Okay, now what will happen here, like there, as it is a -3, obviously rotation would be there. Okay, left rotation would be happening. So what would be there, like it would be 6, then 4, and 4, it would be 5, it would be 8, it would be 7, it would be 9. Okay, again, so 0 0 0 0 -1, and it is 0, it is -1. Okay, and sorry, not it is -1, I'm sorry, it would be -3 again. Okay, so now we have to do the left rotation here as well. So let's see. Okay, as it is going to be a -3 here, then it would be like 6, then then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then okay, then it would be like 8, then 7, and then 9. Now the problem will come here: 0 -1 -2 0 0 0, and it is 1. So here -2, that means left rotation. So left rotation would be like, would be having like this. So 6, then 8, then 9, then 7, it is good. Now it would be like 4, and then 3, and then 5. So then it is going to be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 -3 again. So -3 means left rotation. Yeah, so again it is going to be 6, it is going to be 2, then 4, then 3. Wait on, wait on. So when this 2 will come, okay, so it is going to be 6, then 2, and then this part would be the right subtree, right? I was writing it in the left subtree, I'm sorry. 4 and 5, and then 8, then 9, then 7. Now balancing again 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here it is -2, and here it is 3 and 2 1, and here it is like again it would be like -1 2 3 4, so -4, it would be like that. Okay, now here again left rotation would be working on, so then the tree will be like this. So 6, one, then 6, and then it would be 4, it would be 2, it would be 5, and it would be 3, it would be 8, it would be 7, it would be 9. Correct? 0 0 0 0, -1 1 0, 3 -2 1. See, balanced. Okay, then it is going to be -4 again, then obviously left rotation would be working on, and here, okay, so what is going to happen, like 6, then 1, then 4, and 2, 3, and 5, 8, 7, 9. See, now it is 0 0 0 0, -1 1, then it is 0, and it is -3, and it is 4 -2 is 2. So here left rotation would be there. That means okay, 6, then 4, then 1, then 5, and 2, and then 3, and then 8, and 7, then 9. Okay, now obviously 0 0 0 0, -1 -2, then 1. Okay, then 3 -2 is 1. So here it would be happening. Okay, so again so it would going to be 6 4 2 1 3 5 8 7 9. So it is going to be like this. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 2 -1 1, 3 -2 1. So this is the ultimate balanced binary search tree, okay, from here. Okay, so lot of operations, as you can see, lot of operations from here to here we have to do to achieve that. Okay, so this is the way, like you can make a balanced subtree, balanced search tree from a skew tree, okay, in this way. So I hope you understood my operations which I have done. Please, if you haven't watched the previous video about the left rotation and right rotation, I would tell you, I would advise you to go and watch that video first, and after that you should watch this, otherwise you won't be able to understand. And this is the part, like as you guys can see, the balanced tree has been achieved here. So this is the thing which I wanted to show you. In the last video I have like shown a particular operation, but here, like from a skew tree to balanced binary search tree. It is a little bit obviously longer operations I had to do, and I'm sorry, like I have shown you like this glimpses. I like take the notes while watching the videos. I would advise you, if you haven't taken the note, like go and take the note and try to understand the operations. Okay, so see you in the next video on AVL trees. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you through notification like this, and share this video with your friends, guys. And thank you so much for all the love and support. This much for today. See you on the next video.